Welcome to Barcelona, a city that lives and breathes art, sun, and spirit. Where every corner pulses with creativity and every shadow holds warmth. Barcelona isn't just visited, it's felt deep in the rhythm of your step. A city where culture flows freely, like light through open windows. The streets unfold like a canvas, alive with detail, texture, and soul. Every building here tells a story, bold, graceful, and uniquely human. You can hear the city's heartbeat in its laughter, movement, and calm. Modern energy meets timeless beauty, and both feel completely at home. Here, even silence feels vibrant, filled with presence and possibility. The breeze carries more than air. It carries freedom, flavor, and history. In Barcelona, art doesn't hang on walls. It grows from the ground up. This is a place where everyday life feels like an act of expression. A walk here is never just a walk. It's a journey through color and light. Each face you pass adds to the living mosaic of the city.